Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, we're gonna be making a sweet, quick and easy recipe for no-bake coconut bars. Now these are keto friendly, they're gluten-free, and they're vegan. They're perfect if you're on a diet and you want a little sweet treat. We're gonna top them with this 100% cacao chocolate, and they are so delicious. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I upload 3 new recipes every single week of quick and easy recipes. They're always fun and fresh, and they always have a unique twist to them, like these right here. Let's get started. For these coconut bars, I have here 3 cups of dried shredded unsweetened coconuts, and it's gonna go into the food processor with 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, a 1/3 cup of coconut milk or coconut cream, and lastly, your sweetener of choice. I'm using pure maple syrup. You could also use liquid stevia or simply just regular sugar. It's completely up to you. Pulse this until it's completely combined. It's going to turn into this paste-like texture. It's pretty coarse. Now put this into a parchment-lined 8x5 baking pan and be sure to press the coconut down so that when it goes into the refrigerator to firm up for about 10 minutes, it won't fall apart after when you're cutting it. Now when your coconut is firm, remove it from the baking pan and peel off all your parchment paper and cut these into little squares. Be sure to wipe your knife for nice clean cuts. And for the last part, I have 100% cacao chocolate that I will blast for about 30 seconds at a time in the microwave until it's melted. It's only about 2 ounces of chocolate. This is so strong if you taste it by itself, but it's amazing when you drizzle it on top of these bars. It just tastes incredible, I promise. That's pretty much it for these no-bake coconut bars. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. These are so addicting. I had to give them away because I just couldn't stop eating them. Don't forget that this recipe is listed down below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment on what kind of sweetener you ended up using. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.